This is the first time in a long time I wanted to shoot a cop.
Well, I mean, to be honest, I don't really want to do that. Bye.
Yeah, I feel you. I feel you.
Skye, hop in. I'll give you keys. Oh, dip.
Go.
There you go. There you go. Skye, hop in. I'll give you keys.
You got no manners.
Are guys going up for crane? Guys going to take comms?
L1 will take comms for now. Let me know if you need to take over again. They're about to do a freeway blast. Right northbound Great Ocean Highway with the target.
Espino's on VCB on Ray.
See one guy in west again, Skye.
Oh my god!
Maybe first floor.
The guy all black?
No, rush jacket.
Oh, Black was in the D10 that just left.
And before I lost vigilante, I was looking through the fucking floor.
Oh, our guy's got a parachute off the crane. He's parachuting down towards Calais with a mobile unit there. Headed back onto this construction site, running west, not running south on VCB.
Okay, I'm just gonna make a suggestion here. Secure the cars.
Who's still good? No one.
I'm good.
Say no one?
Yeah, so if you can.
Really good.
Guys. Oh my god. Fucking dead.